Hello guys, I am Tosuno. You can call me T. Today is the last episode of Big History. Today we are talking about why human evolution, ancestry matters, and why globalization matters. Let's begin. The Latin name for our species, Homo sapiens, means wise men. The history of rising human complexities involved tinkering with some form of prior knowledge rather than spontaneous genius. Cultural evolution rarely makes leap, and I really don't know what the last line meant. Now why humans evolved the capacity for collective learning remains a mystery. The big question is, when did our capacity for learning and communication began to resemble collective learning? At some point between our separation from our last common ancestor with chimpanzees 5-7 million years ago, and the emergence of Homo sapiens 250,000 years ago, evolution built up these skills for communication and learning and allowed it to be stored in the collective memories of human groups. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. I am Detective T, and my brother is Detective TT. Now let's continue. Much of primate communication is done, like with many other animals, through gesticulation. And even today, gesture is a large part of day-to-day human communication to convey an information. Collective learning is the process that has raised the complexity of human societies for all 250,000 years of our history. Our species, Homo sapiens, came into existence approximately 200,000 to 250,000 years ago, foraging for generation in East Africa. Around 100,000 years ago, human moved out of Africa into the Middle East, and maybe making it as far as India. Around 74,000 years ago, the gene pool contracted significantly and shrank to only about 3,000 to 10,000 people in the entire world. Approximately 60,000 years ago, humans spread down the land bridge that existed between Indonesia and the Asian mainland, and they landed in Australia. Humans spread into the Americas around 13 to 16,000 years ago, rapidly heading south. And that's it. The script is from Crash Course because we liked it. Next time, philosophy special episode on arguments. Thoughts what my brother wants me to believe. But next time, intro to economy and then the astronomy.